What time is it, Reagan?
It's 12:05.
Okay, type that in, Annalisa.
Oopsie. Press.
And then hit submit. And then continue.
Okay, the little pointer that spins is called a hand. This clock is a training clock and only has one small hand on it. The small hand is called the hour hand. Around the edge of the clock, we have numbers that go from 1 all the way to 12. This small hand tells us what the hour is. Right now, the hour hand is pointing to the 3, so it must be 3 o'clock. Now what hour is it?
6 o'clock. 6.
Scroll down so you can answer the question. So what time is the clock now?
6:30.
No, did you hear the video? He said it's just the hour hand right now.
Oh, 6.
6 o'clock. Don't shut the whole thing.
6 o'clock, right. Let's look at another. What hour is this? I heard some of you say it is still 6 o'clock, and you are correct.
Yes.
The hour does not change until it is pointing right at the next number. As long as the hand points between the 6 and the 7, it is still 6 o'clock. Let's try one more. Right now the hour hand is between the 11 and the 12. So is this 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock?
11 o'clock.
Scroll down. You have to answer that.
11 o'clock. 11.
Luke, what time is it?
Oh, I was touching.
I'm asking you what time is it, 11 or 12?
Or 12.
Jackie, what time is it?
11.
11.
Good job, Jackie.
Luke, pay attention.
Good job. This is fun.
Did you hit continue?
Clock. It is still 11 o'clock. It will not be 12 o'clock until the hour hand points right at the 12. Good job, guys. Now this training clock works great to tell us what hour it is. But what if you have to be home by a certain time in the middle of the hour? It would be difficult to know exactly when to leave with just using the hour hand. That is why we have what we call the minute hand. Let's bring in one of our big kid clocks. This clock has a big hand and a small hand. We already know the small hand tells us the hour, but do you know what this hand does?
It tells the minute.
Okay, what does the long hand show? Hour or minutes?
Minute. Tells the
Come on.
minute. Minutes.
Minutes. Good job.
It's so bad. Why is it dog? Don't be tired. Can I just put it in?
Spell out the word. Don't be lazy.
She said in.
The word's right there. T-E-S.
T-E-S.
Shh. Guys.
This long hand is the minute hand. The minute hand tells us how much time has passed after the hour. When telling time, we always look at the hour hand first. On this clock, the hour hand is pointing to the 12, and the minute hand is pointing to the 1. So would we say the time is 12 and 1 minute? I know you might be tempted to say yes.
Some of y'all would say
is
that.
not correct. Each one of these increments are counted by 5s. There are 5 minutes between each of these big numbers. So when the minute hand is at the 1, 5 minutes have passed.
Savannah, are you
So
listening?
this is 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 40 minutes, 45
But you need
minutes,
to look, Savannah.
50 minutes, 55 minutes, and at the 12, the minutes start back over at 0. So right now, the time is 12:05. The hour hand is at the 12, and the minute hand is pointing at the 1, which is 5 minutes. Let's look at another one.
Which hand, go down. Which hand do you look at first when telling time? Long or short? Short.
I mean short.
So type that, and then is it hour or minute?
Minute.
Is the short hand the hour or the minute?
Hour.
Hour. So write short and then hour.
Short. I was raising my hands.
Good job.
Remember, we first look at the small hand for the hour. It is halfway between the 3 and the 4. So with just the hour hand, we know it is 3 o'clock. Now we look at the minute hand. It is pointing to the 6. Does that mean it is 3 and 6 minutes?
No.
No, you are right. We have to count by 5s to get the minutes. Let's count. 5, 10,
15, 20, 25, 30.
30 minutes. So the time is 3:30 because the hour is 3, and after counting by 5s, we see that the minute hand is pointing to 30 minutes. Let's do one last one. Can you help me out on this one? Great. Okay,
All right. What time is it?
It's 3. No, 2. It's 2:40.
2:40.
2:40. Not on the 3 yet.
Now, listen. The second part of the question. Wait. Don't. How do you know it's 2:40? How do you know? I want someone that hasn't answered already. Michael.
The hour hand isn't directly pointing at the 3 yet, so it's still 2, and each tick mark is 5 minutes, and so if you count by 5s and when you count by 5s, you can go at 1 is 5.
Mm-hmm.
10 is at 2, 15 is at 3, 20 is at 4, 25 is at 50, 30 is at 6, and 35 is at 7, and 40 is at 8.
Very good. Awesome. And as you guys work with time longer and longer and longer and longer and longer, you will just memorize. You will automatically know that the 8 is 40, the 7 is 35. You won't have to count anymore. But it's only, you're only gonna have to, practice all the time. You know, read clocks in your house, not the digital ones. Have mom or dad or somebody buy you a watch, a little $5 watch at Walmart, and not a digital one, but a one that you have to practice telling time with.
My mommy always bought me bought us like a digital clock. I got a phone.
Okay, all right, Anna, what did you say? Okay, 2:40 because the hour hand isn't pointing to the 3 yet. And why don't you say something like, and the minute hand is on the 8.
She wrote all that.
She did. She's awesome like that.
Why is there Ann here? There's 2 Anns. I got a phone watch. Hey, 2 Anns. Miss Baxter, why are there 2 Anns?
That's okay.
The minute hand is
Pointing to the 8.
that doesn't make sense.
It's okay, Jackie. We all make mistakes when we're typing. Even me.
You do? There's 2.
I know. It's hard to believe because I'm so perfect.
Point to the
Yes,
one
I
here.
do.
I don't believe you. I believe her.
sometimes you smell like roses.
It's more than 8. 240
You
is
really do. You really do.
Anna, isn't it annoying when everybody's trying to tell you how to do your job?
Yeah, do your job right.
You're good. Just go down and hit submit.
Do your job right.
Alright, let's
I
continue.
was sleeping earlier because my bedtime is 8 o'clock at night. When I saw the big hand pointing to the 8, I thought it was my bedtime. To get the correct time, we need to look at the hour hand first. What number is the small hour hand pointing to?
8.
It is at the 2 still.
The small
so the hour
hand.
is 2. Great job. Now how many minutes have passed? Remember to count by increments of 5. Can you tell me what the minutes are?
40.
Dude, that's tickets.
The minutes are 40. So the time is 2:40. Great job, everyone. Now that I know how to tell time, I will not try to sleep at 2:40 in the afternoon. Thank you so much for your help, guys. Remember to keep practicing and you will get better at this. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Good job, Anna. Everyone give Anna a round of applause.
Good job, Anna.